Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vaishali Pipal and recently I've been to Delhi and I've been to Sarojini Nagar and there were huge stuff out there like from chokers to jumpsuits to track pants, anything, sports, casual, classic wear, anything, any look you want. It was all up there. So I purchased a few items from there. So let's get into it. So firstly, I bought this planner. It's having black and white checks in it, and it's really cool. We can. It is of like cotton material, and I got it for around $200. It was a pretty cool deal. Then I bought this off-shoulder top, which is so in trend right now. It has this fillet, small white shaped hearts in it, and it has this very nice pattern at the. It is very cool. It is very breezy, and it's off shoulder, and I loved it. So I got it for around 150. Then I bought this spaghetti top. I love spaghetti tops because you can team up with jackets, with stole, and it can give your look a kind of more classy, I feel. So this it has these mehendi designs in it. This is sort of cool because you don't get mehendi designs more nowadays. So it's pink and I loved it. So I got this for around 150. And coming to the stole. So this is a huge stole I got. I got it actually from a shop in Sarojini. So it was around $100 and it's green. It has these cactus in it. See, wait, I'll show you. These cactus print in it, and it's a pretty big stole. And there are so many videos you can do it with. You customize your look with this stole, and it will give your look a more bit edgy kind of look, or more you can customize your stole with any kind of look you want. Then this top has flower patterns in it, and it's good. It has like orange and blue thing going in there, and then it has this elastic band at the bottom. So it's a pretty cool top. I got it for around 200. Bought this top. It has a racer back at it, and it is a sporty top. It is having like black and pink, neon pink, and it's so good. You can wear it to your gym, or you can go outside for a walk, have that sporty look. And of course, we can't forget the back. See, it's so cool. Kind of like a bralette kind of a back, like, which is so in trend right now. Then I bought this floral top, and it's a tunic top. It's very simple. It's floral. You can customize this top with a stole or with any belt, anything. It has this so cute small flowers, pink flowers and green design patterns in it, and it is so cool, this top. I think I'm gonna wear this top a lot. Then I got this polka dot top, and this polka dot top is so awesome. Like, you can wear it with your jeans, your pants, a skirt, skated skirt, anything, and you can make it off shoulder too. So it's a pretty cool top. I got it for around 200. So you can buy stuff at Sarojini and you can bargain it according to your wish. Maximum you can bargain is up to 250. So now I bought a few things online and I would like to show you that. Firstly, I bought this cool jumpsuit. It is a floral jumpsuit and all my friends love this jumpsuit. I got it for around 390 while it was on Coop's sale. So it has these big flowers in it, and it is blue, and it is this b- black flowers in it, and it has these yellow flowers. It has different kind of flowers basically. So it is very cool. This jumpsuit. I've been to Goa, and oh my gosh, I love this dress. I got it for around 1600 bucks. I know it's a bit costly, but it was so amazing. I loved its color. I loved this buttons and this whole attire. See, and it was so good. Well, they were not much of a bargain kind of a shop, so I could not bargain much there. So it was the cool dress. You can team up with your stoles, your jackets, boots, anything. Now I bought this at Sarojini. It was around 30 rupees. It's a ethnic. It falls into a category of more ethnic and traditional wear. You can team up with your Indo-Western look, anarkalis, your lehengas, your churidars, anything. It's very simple, and I got it for rupees 30 bucks, and it was a pretty cool deal. So not much of a bargain there. Then I got this belt at Sarojini, and this belt was around 100 bucks. Well, at shops like big shops like in malls and all, you'll get around 300 and all, but at Sarojini you'll just get it around 90 or 100 rupees. It was a cool belt, so I got this from Sarojini. Then also, while shopping online, I loved the color of this bag. It is such a cute bag. You can put all your stuff in here, your mobile, your wallet, your makeup, anything you want. And it was around 300 bucks. It was a cool deal, and I love this. It's a sling bag. See, so see, it's a sling bag, and you love, and who don't love sling bags? Sling bags are so in right now. So I got it from Cruise. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys liked my video and subscribe for more videos. And till then, take care.